Today I will show you a CNC router machine from the professional equipment line for working with our materials, the Wattsan M1 1313. And I will tell you about its features and its advantages. This is Virmer, my name is David, let's get it started. Wattsan CNC routers are built with components from trusted brands you've likely heard of, such as HIWIN, Shimpo and others. And this choice was made so you can have confidence in the reliability of Wattsan machines, knowing that spare parts will always be available. No worry about long and costly downtimes. That's why Virmer is proud to be an official dealer of this factory. Additionally, Wattsan machines feature a sturdy bed structure. It's made out of welded steel with thick walls. This makes Wattsan machines steady and reliable equipment, protected from vibrations. They also undergo an heat treatment to guarantee 10 years of service or even longer. Wattsan has various types of beds for different applications and powers. But we're gonna talk about this more on later. Next, the Gantry. Wattsan creates them from thick metal, even for the small and medium models. This is needed to ensure reliable work of the spindle without any vibration. Also, thanks to this design, machines have the potential to have multiple instruments being installed on the gantry. Or the router may be equipped with a more powerful one. So, engineers considered it all. One more thing to note here is the thickness of the lateral strands. They are made out of high-strength cast iron. Together with Gantry, they combine in solid construction that provides accuracy and stability. Now to the kinematic system. In Wattsan machines there is a ball and screw unit by axis Z that gives higher movement accuracy. Two-phase stepper motor. They are responsible for the movement of the machine along the Y, Z and X axis. These motors guarantee accuracy of motions up to 0.01 millimeters. And the speed they give to the gantry is about 25 meters a minute. By the client's demand that is sent to the factory, the machine can be equipped with a servo motor. For comparison, a servo motor provides speed up to 60 meters a minute. Next up, guides. On these machines, HIWIN guides are installed. They were chosen by Wattsan engineers due to their quality and reliability. Unlike analogs, by the way, those ones are also installed on the Z-axis to ensure even more spindle movement precision. To ensure all of these components perform at their maximum potential, a robotic system mills the base for the kinematic system installation in Wattsan machines. There is no human factory, only mathematical precision. These provide precise geometry, ensuring long-term, dependable functioning with no breakdowns. For ease of use, router machines are equipped with a lubrication system. You don't need to service each component manually. Just check the oil level in the system and use the lever. Let's go to the feature of this specific model. Firstly, a thick walled metal bed. Here, it's from the M1 series. That means that its thickness has increased to 10-12 millimeters and it gives more strength and stability. One more advantage of the M1 series, including the 1313, is a bigger height of the Z-axis. That makes it easier to process massive workpieces. It equals 300 millimeters. In the basic configuration, the M1 1313 has a 3 kilowatt spindle. This kind of power is suitable for processing wood, various plastics, composites, Paronite and others. However, it is possible to install also more powerful spindles, which speeds up the work on some materials and is even suitable for machining aluminium and hardwoods. It's important to note that in the basic configuration, the machine has an ER20 collet chuck. This one can work with end mills with a diameter of the shank up to 13.5 millimeters. Pay attention, the cooling system here is water-based, it's noiseless, stable, and its pumps are very compact. The M1 1313 has planetary gears from a Japanese brand Shimpo. They are designed to work with high loads, be quiet, provide smooth movement, and guarantee position precision. The M1 1313 router has a position precision of 0.05 millimeters. The machine has a vacuum table. It's divided into 4 zones and the pump power is 5.5 kilowatts. It's very convenient for fixing thin or fragile materials or plywood that might become wavy when heated. The machine is operated using the RichAuto A11 DSP controller. This system features a user-friendly interface, supports multiple languages, and is equipped with power failure protection and breakpoint processing. This machine can engrave and mill wood, plastics, composites, pyronite and other materials on a serious industrial scale. It's used for manufacturing furniture, exterior and interior elements, advertisements, packaging and more. At Virmer, we not only provide Wattsan machines for professional work, but also offer consultations and support. We have an online service system where our engineers can assist you with any question. For detailed information about the specifications and pricing of this machine, call us or visit our website. And if you would like to see a review for a different model, just let us know in the comments below. My name is David, this is Virmer. Subscribe and give us a like so you will not miss the next videos. Bye bye.